Hi guys, so today's card is going to be another one that I recently demonstrated at my recent coffee and a card event. So as you can see here, it's using the Cause for a Celebration stamp set, which has multiple verses in, as you can see. So let's move out of the way and get started. So I started with a standard C6 card base and folded that in half, like so. And then I quickly ran it through the embossing folder with the Tuft Dynamics embossing folder, like so. And that created the background effect, as you can see. Yeah. So it does slightly go over the edge, so please make sure that you do score the card before you fold, just so you can get it folded. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stamp our sentiment down with Stays on ink. So the sentiment I chose was, I may not always be there with you, but I will always be there for you. In the class I did say how much it reminds me of my mother, which got a few R's, but sometimes the perfect sentiments are just all found. I know it's her birthday soon, so this could always be a card for her. And just stamp that down like so. So I did use the stitched shapes finlets, as you can see here, to cut out the overall, and use the largest overall in that set, which I've pre-ran through, as you can see here. A proper television moment. Here's one I did before. And I'm just bringing the base and turn that round. So to do the accents, I use the Botanical Bliss tags to do the foliage, as well as the petals in Blushing Bride, as you can see. And to save time, I have pre-cut these out. One thing to be careful of is the fact that it does come like this, like so, but it doesn't cut out the bottom. They do give you the bottom tag, so you run that through the Big Shot first, and then following up with that one. And I'm just going to secure them down with the dimensionals that I'm going to be using, just so I'm not using so much adhesive. Just use that there and that one there, like so. And then also in Pear Pizzazz, the green foliage, which I'm just going to peek out from the sides there and there, in the middle with the bit of polka dot ribbon. So I'll just put that behind as well. And again, just secure with dimensionals, save your adhesive, like so. There you go. As you can see, it's held into place nicely. So just pull off the backing. Like so. And put that onto the card. And there you have it. So I have done it the other way, but it doesn't really matter. I hope you enjoyed today's card. For any other products you use, please contact me and I'll be happy to place an order for you. Any questions, just ask. Please follow me on all the links below in the description, and I'm happy to answer any queries. Thank you. Goodbye.